how to create report in Smartsheet. So first go to Smartsheet and then just open up your workspace. Next is you can just click on add to workspace here and then hover mouse over report and then just choose the type of report that you're going to create. So let's say I'm going to create a sheet summary report. Then let's just wait. So what we're going to see here is just a summary report of all our sheets here. So this 4 here. So I'm just going to select simple project plan here. And then since this is the name of our workspace, and then click on next. And then if you want to add columns to display, you can do that. I'm just going to add the sheet name here. So as you can see, now we have a simple sheet summary report here. So you can see all of our sheets here. So after this, you can begin sharing this to anyone that you want, add their name, email, or group. And then, or you can just click on copy link and then you can just send that link to someone to share this to. Okay, so that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.